Hello children, welcome you in bio class. Children, now you have to study in bio class about C3 cycle, that is graphical representation of C3 cycle or Kelvin cycle. This C3 cycle, why it is called? Because Kelvin and his co-workers discovered 3-phosphoglyceric acid is a stable product of photosynthesis. It is produced just after the addition of carbon dioxide. So after the addition of carbon dioxide, first stable product is 3 carbon compound, that is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So children, there is ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in the presence of enzyme Rubisco, that is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. There is addition of carbon dioxide, and after this addition of carbon dioxide is called carboxylation. So you know, addition of carbon dioxide to a compound is called carboxylation. In Kelvin cycle, 5 carbon compound 1,5 ribulose 1,5 biphosphate undergo carboxylation and form 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So this reaction is catalyzed by ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. In short, it is called Rubisco. Now this 3-phosphoglyceric acid is going to change into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. So from here, this conversion of 3-phosphoglyceric acid into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid, further 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid converted into phosphoglyceraldehyde. So these reactions are coming in the glycolytic reversal, that is the reduction phase. 3-phosphoglyceric acid in the presence of phosphoglycerate kinase by ATP produce 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. So this 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid is produced, and in this reaction is catalyzed by phosphoglycerokinase. Again 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid is going to reduce into triose phosphate, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So this 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid in the presence of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase, and by using NADPH 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde formed. So this is 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Now this 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde they break into different molecules. There are 12 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. 8. There are 2 molecules, 5 molecules, 3 molecules, and 2 molecules. So the 2 isomers of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So dihydroxyacetone phosphate and these 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde both are isomers. In this 5 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde change into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So dihydroxyacetone phosphate further break in the ratio of 2:3. 3 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 3 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to combine together form fructose 1,6-biphosphate. So there are 3 molecules of fructose 1,6-biphosphate is produced. This fructose 1,6-biphosphate in the presence of enzyme phosphatase, it is going to change into fructose 6-phosphate. So there fructose 6-phosphate are formed, and this fructose, from the fructose 6-phosphate, 1 molecule of glucose is formed. There 1 molecule of glucose is formed, and 3 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate and 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde that will combine together here. Then it will form 2 molecules of erythrose 4-phosphate, that is a 4-carbon compound, and 2 molecules of xylose phosphate. So I told they are fructose 6-phosphate. 3 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate is there. So 3 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate. From this, 1 molecule is converted into glucose. Remaining 2 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate and 2 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde both combined together produce 2 molecules of erythrose 4-phosphate and 2 molecules of xylose 5-phosphate. Now erythrose 5-phosphate combined with here 2 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So 2 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate, 2 molecules of erythrose, then combine 2 molecules of pseudoheptulose 1,7-biphosphate. Pseudoheptulose 1,7-biphosphate change into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. So this is going to change into pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Now 2 molecules of pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate going to combine with 2 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde from here. Then it will form 2 molecules of ribose and 2 molecules of xylose. So here this is going to form. So in this way you can get there 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and 2 molecules of pseudoheptulose both combined together here. Then it will form 2 molecules of xylose and 2 molecules of ribose. So together 4 molecules of xylose are there. These 4 molecules of xylose change into ribulose 5-phosphate, and this ribulose biphosphate. In this way, there are 6 molecules of ribulose biphosphate, and in the presence of phosphoribulose kinase, it change into 1,5-ribulose biphosphate. So this is the graphical representation of Calvin cycle that occurs in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. In the graphical representation of photosynthesis, you will see there 6 molecules of carbon dioxide used during the photosynthesis. So 6 molecules of ribulose biphosphate is there. It combined together, then 12 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid formed. 12 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid change into 12 molecules of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. 12 molecules of 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid change into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, that is also 12 molecules. These 12 molecules divide in the ratio of 2:5:3:2. Then these 5 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde change into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. It break into 2 and 3 molecule. 3 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to combine together. 3 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 3 molecules of phosphoglyceraldehyde combine together, then form 3 molecules of fructose 1,6 biphosphate. Fructose 1,6 biphosphate change into fructose 6-phosphate. So from this 1 molecule of glucose is formed. Remaining 2 molecules of fructose 6-phosphate combine with 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and form 2 molecules of erythrose and 2 molecules of xylose. 2 molecules of erythrose combine with 3 molecules of dihydroxyacetone phosphate and form 2 molecules of pseudoheptulose. Then this pseudoheptulose change into the pseudoheptulose 1,7 biphosphate change to pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Now pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate combine with 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, then it form 2 molecules of ribose 5-phosphate and 2 molecules of xylose 5-phosphate. So there together 4 molecules of xylose 5-phosphates are there that change into ribulose biphosphate. So 6 molecules of ribulose biphosphate are regenerated. So in this way, during the dark reaction or C3 cycle, you see there is carboxylation. In that, addition of carbon dioxide to ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, as the result of which 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde 3-carbon compound formed. After that, there is glycolytic reversal. In that, 3-phosphoglyceric acid reduced into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Again, regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. So you see 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. From this 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, then